Hey guys, welcome to Nat's Motorsports, and yes, it's been a while. I'll be honest, I've been struggling to bring you guys these videos. I have a lot going on with the construction business, the motorsports business, managing real estate, making videos, and still trying to enjoy the things that I like in life. But I'm here, I got the puppy with me, got my laptop. I'm gonna chip away, bringing you guys some videos and hopefully show you some awesome and accessible ways to have fun. Obviously incorporating motorsports, because sometimes we work so much that we forget how to have fun. So how do we incorporate that fun into our lives? Well, I think this video shows a great example of something that's accessible to most people. All you have to do is find your local track, and even if you're not that into it, it's a great activity to try if you're looking to try something new. Look at this baby girl. Let me get this girl out of here. Come here, baby. Little puppy. I got her. Got the baby, I got the baby, got the baby, get the baby. That's my little girl. That's my little girl. But yeah, it's really awesome because it started as a tradition on my birthday, and one of the participants, I guess, enjoyed it so much that it's now trickled down into his birthday, and it's just more opportunity for fun, so don't pass it up. Let's go see what I was talking about. I was talking some smack, definitely having some fun. Testing, motherfucker, testing. We're back at Supercharged, but this time it's not my birthday. It's this guy's birthday. We're about to crush it here. Look at all these slow pokes. They're gonna be in our dust.
Two different tracks. It looks like they're running track 1 right there.
No, track 2 is right here.
This is track 2,
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
We're gonna go to the first start and next one, boss. On the left.
22? 22. Okay. 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 Not good for pregnant women. No alcohol or other drugs. What if you're pregnant and on alcohol and other drugs? And can I? Yeah. Yeah, you like that? What's that?
It's gonna be last place.
No, it's all right. Just try to follow me, and we'll do good. We're gonna do perfect this time. Perfect. That guy's just baking there in his helmet with his with his visor down. Brum, brum. I'll break this little pin. I don't care. Let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. Nice, nice. How you think you did? Good? Pretty fun, huh?
It's short, but it goes fast.
Yeah? As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters.
Yeah.
It's not about the time, it's about the fun. Just talking to random people. He don't want to hear it. He don't want to hear from me. Woo mama! Show them how it's done. Show them how it's done. Show them how it's done. Get some heat in these tires, baby. Put some heat in tires. And that's why, because you need grip. You need grip around these corners. I still see purple. It's not blue, so we can still continue putting some heat in these tires. Come on, turn us on, baby. Get Liam here. He's not faster than me. No. I got him. Yeah, baby. Woo! Who's next? Who's next on the buffet menu? Who's next? Yeah. 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 You thought you were getting away, did you, number 26? Huh? Yeah? Is that what you thought, huh? Is that what you thought? Get over here. 26, huh? Huh? That's what you want to do, huh? Okay. Okay, I see. You want to find a little place right through there. I'm gonna get you. Oh, keep it together there. Keep it together, 26. Okay, I see you holding it. I see you holding it together in one piece. 26. May have a little competition here. Jackie boy? Okay, thanks. Why do they always slow us down through here? They slow us down in the same spot every time. That slide just hurt my time quite a bit. Alright, 26 is good driver, just not really graceful when it comes to passing people. Gotta be a little aggressive there, bud. Oh, this guy's gonna slow me down. Had to get a little dirty getting through there. This cart was honestly kind of trash. Whatever. Look at this thing, it's freaking wobbling all over. It'll drive a little straight. Oh, nope, pulling to the left. Yeah, you see that? Oh, that was a struggle. Oh, there it is, yep. Look at that alignment. Look at that, ready? Oh. Everybody's so timid in here. Did good? Have fun? Who's number 26? It was Jack. It was Jack. He was fast. You. Dude, I could not pass you for the longest time. Wow. I knew it had to be him. Knew it had to be him. Woo! This is kind of great too. Look at how much fun we were having together. Pretty fun, huh?
Dude, that was so much better.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely a lot more bold.
Yeah, see, it just takes a moment to kind of get the feel for it.
God, that was fun.
Let's see how we did. This part's fun too. Oh, he got me. I knew he got me. He's a birthday boy. Good job. Dude, I was like, I cannot pass it. Shit. 11 seconds off of your last time. That is a lot faster. You were boogieing that time. She was having some fun this time. Yeah, she shaved 11 seconds off her first time.
At one point, I passed like 6 people, and then I spun out, and I had to sit there and wait for them all to pass me so I could reverse and keep going. I was so pissed off.
He fucking got, there was this one person where he kept bumping into me and stuff, and I was like, stop it! I'm trying to ride here. And then all of a sudden, he comes out of nowhere, and I'm fucking right away, he just fucking whips around this fucking dude like he's fucking nuts, and I'm like, yes! I'm like, fuck him, Nick, yes!
Until I got to this guy.
I don't know who the person was, but I feel kind of bad because he turned around.
It was squeaky. I feel like they were towed in a little bit, but I was going to slow down. Woo! But it felt like that.
Cranked so hard. touchy. A lot of oversteering. Touchy, and it would go. And then literally any turn, if I didn't tap the brake going into it, that'd be
Yeah, that's what I mean. She had like 70 on her last one.
Yeah.
So 11, that's like she was having fun this time. You just kind of, that's what I mean. You got to like throw out that little like, I always get butterflies every time.
But then I'm like, why are you fucking being nervous?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And then you see how much faster you are than everybody.
Yeah, it's that too. Like, I didn't want to spin out on the last lap though. I'm not gonna lie, I got no $2 again. I like smashed into the corner.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh. I'm like, okay.
Nice.
And I got a boost button, but I completely forgot to use it.
Yeah, that make sure you have like a nice
But that's the thing, it's
stretch in front of you.
on a smooth turn, but it's like there's no, like barely any like non-turn. It's like one stretch.
Yeah, I'll be honest. That was the only way I was passing there. The boost. Yeah. I was like, I gotta boost this out, dude. Like, because there was no way.
Yeah, there was
dude,
like 2 people in front of me, and I was like, I can't.
Nah, I boosted to get past him because I was behind him for a while. I know you felt me. I know you could feel me. Because I saw your driving kind of change a little around the corkscrew. I was like, oh, he knows I'm here now. But then you got quicker, and I was like,
Yeah, I didn't know it was you. I should have figured.
you knew some. I told him, I was like, no one else is going to be fast enough on this track to catch you. So if you feel somebody behind you, it's going to be me. It's like I'll never be able to tell people how big this matzo ball really was.
Now I can.
Yeah.
If the ladle wasn't big enough, like.
Yeah. The size of the ladle actually throws you off. It almost makes it look normal until you grab the ladle and you realize it's a foot long. Now that's a sandwich, huh? That's a sandwich fit for a birthday boy.
Going for a happy.
There you go. Smart man.
So all this, and that's all the dip we get?
Yo, this is absolutely ridiculous.
Imagine like you just flew into the country and this is the first place you came.
Yeah. I love America. I've never seen this much fun before in my life. America. Sorry, I'm getting the full, panoramic shot. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm out here chipping away at these videos for you, and I hope to bring you some more informative videos that can hopefully teach you some things, bring you some more adventures, show you how to include motorsports into different travels, and overall just bring you some content that you can enjoy. So hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos. Like I said, I've been busy. I've been building a lot. I have a lot of footage to go through, but it'll all be yours soon. So if you've learned anything from this video, hopefully it's that there are still plenty of ways to have some good, clean fun. I hope you guys come back for more. And I'm going to tell you the same thing that my grandmother always used to tell me. Don't work too hard. Show your support at nomorenonsense.org. I'll catch you guys later.